Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you always stay in good health and always be blessed by God. In this time, I will discuss about time and work progress problems. First, I would like to explain the definition about time and work progress. Time and work progress is the reverse ratio between output and duration of completion, meaning the more the project increase its productivity, the duration of completion is decreased. So let me explain the time and work progress formula. There are three different time and work progress formula. First, if A and B work together from start to end, the formula or the equation is 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by B is equal to 1 divided by C, where C is duration completed by two people A and B, where A and B is respectively the number of days completed by himself alone. Second, if more than two people from start to end. Uh, for example, there are three people A, B, and C. The formula of the equation is 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by B plus 1 divided by C is equal to 1 divided by D, where D is duration completed together by A, B, and C. And the last one, if A worked earlier and B worked later after A, based on progress earlier completed by A and the remaining progress completed by either A or B or both, meaning A and B both together complete the remaining project. The formula is number of days completed by A divided by A plus number of days completed by B divided by B is equal to 1. So let's discuss the answer of this problem. Problem 1. A and B can do a job in 8 days. B and C can do the same job in 12 days. When A, B, and C work together, they can do the same job in 6 days. In how many days can A and C complete this job? So you can screenshot this picture or pause this video. Uh, after you answer the question, you can compare your answer with my answer. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1. The solution is 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by B is equal to 1 divided by 8, meaning A and B uh, uh, work together in 8 days. There is a question 1. The question 2 is 1 divided by B. 1 divided by B plus 1 divided by C is equal to 1 divided by 12, meaning B and C work together for 12 days. And the third question is, if A, B, and C work together, the project can be completed in 6 days. The question is 1 divided by A plus 1 divided by B and plus 1 divided by C is equal to 1 divided by 6. And the question is, in how many days uh, A and C can complete the project? The number of days is represented by X. how many day in X. So since A per A, I mean 1 per A plus 1 per B is equal to 1 per A, the first equation is substitute to the equation number 3, and we find 1 per A plus 1 per C is equal to 1 per 6. So 1 per C is equal to 1 per C per 6 minus 1 per 8. The final answer, the final value of C is equal to 24 days, meaning the project can be completed by C by himself in 24 days. And since 1 per B plus 1 per C is equal to 1 per 12, the equation number 2 is substitute to the equation number 3. So 1 per A plus 1 per 12 is equal to 1 per 6. Therefore, 1 per A is equal to 1 per 6 minus 1 per 12. And the final value of A is 12 days, meaning A can complete the project by himself in 12 days. So we can find the value of X by 1 per A plus 1 per C is equal to 1 per X. So since we know the value of A and C, so we put value of A and C become 1 per 12 plus 1 per 24 is equal to 1 per X. So we can find the value of X is 8 days. The answer is A and C can complete the project in 8 days. That's the answer. Now we can go to the problem number 2. A and B together can complete a task in 20 days. B and C together can complete the same task in 30 days. A and C together can complete the same task in 30 days. What is the respective ratio of number of days taken by A when completing the same task alone to number of days taken by C when completing the same task alone? So let after you can answer the question, you can compare your answer to my answer. So you can screenshot this picture or pause this video. In 3, 2, 1, let's answer the question. So from the data given, we know that 1 per A plus 1 per B is equal to 1 per 20, meaning A and B can work together in 20 days. So B and C can work together the same project in 30 days. Same with A and C, they both can complete the project in 30 days as well. The question is what the ratio of A per C. So look at the equation 1 and equation 2 and substitute the value of B. So we can find the value of 1 per B is equal to 1 per 20 minus 1 per A is equal to 1 per 30 minus 1 per C. And we can find that the other equation is 1 per 60 is equal to 1 per A minus 1 per C. And then we can look at the equation number 2 and number 3 and substitute the value of C. So 1 per C is equal to 1 per 30 minus 1 per B is equal to 1 per 30 minus 1 per A. So 1 per A is equal to 1 per B. So the value of A is same with B. And then you can look at the question number 1. Since A and B is the same value, so we can find the value of B. The value of B is value of A is 40 days. So we can look at the equation number 2. Since the value of B is 40 days, so we can put the value B to the equation number 2. 1 per B plus 1 per C is equal to 1 per 30. Therefore, 1 per 40 plus 1 per C is equal to 1 per 30. So we can find the value of C. The value of C is 120 days, meaning uh, C is the slowest or slower than other A and B, because C can complete the longer time 120 days. So since we know the value of A and C, that value of A is 40 and value of C is 120, we can divide 40 by 120. So the ratio between A and C is 1/3. So the final answer is 1/3. Let's go to the problem number 3. A does 80% of work in 20 days. He then calls in B and they together finish the remaining work in 3 days. How long B alone will take to do the whole work? Meaning that 80% already been done by A in 20 days. The progress is 80%. The remaining 20% completed by A and B work together in 3 days. So the question is, how long B alone would take to do the whole work? A 37.5 days, B 36 days, C 39.5 days, D 40 days. You can try to solve this problem. As soon as you know the answer, you can compare your answer with my answer. I give you 3, 2, 1. Let's go solve the problem. So if A can do the project alone, he can do by himself in 25 days if the progress is 100%. So therefore 20 multiplied by 5 divided by 4, A is 25 days. Total completion days is 20 plus 3 is equal to 23 days. Since first 20 days already been done by A, the remaining 3 days both together completed by A and B. So meaning that A is still working from start to end, and B the remaining 20%. So the question is, how many days will be completed by B by himself? So the question is 0.8 plus 0.12 plus 3 multiplied by 1 per B is equal to 1. Therefore, 0.92 plus 3 divided by b is equal to 1. So from this equation, we can find the value of b is 3 divided by 0.0x is equal to 37.5 days. That's the answer of problem number 3. And I will give you homework in problem number 4. A and B alone can do a piece of work in 30 days and 40 days respectively if they work on alternate days, and B starts the work on the first day. Then in how many days will the work be completed? So the answers will be set in descriptions. This is homework you can do by your own. So this is it for the explanation about time and work progress. I hope you enjoy this explanation. Thanks for watching and see you my other video. Bye bye.